Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join Leonardo AI very easy way. First of all, go to google.com, then search leonardo.ai. Then Leonardo, click on first link. Then you need to now create an account. Just click this icon. This link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First of all, I highly recommend you for use Google for a login. If you are Apple user using Apple, so I use Google. Then I want to try a login here. Then I select my Gmail. Then again click on continue. Now you need to select few criteria. I need to select a username right now. So I select this. So first of all, what are your interests? So I want to interest advertising, educations and marketing. So now I click on next button. Then let's go. Then you can see my login are successfully done. Then I am eligible for use everything here. So if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. See you again. Take care. Bye.